Okay guys, today's just a quick tip video. Hopefully this is going to help somebody in need. Today we've got this Porsche Cayman and it's got two issues. First problem is the battery is absolutely flat, and second problem being the battery is located underneath the bonnet and the bonnet switch is broken. So first thing I'm going to do is just gently pry off this side paneling. So just be gentle. You can use a proper pry tool, but I have already been in here before, so if you just give that a little bit of love. There we go. Pop the old switch down through the top so that comes out, and then from here we're going to need to get power connected, and we're going to want to be prying down on that pin just there on my fingertip inside the cross. Push that switch down. Hopefully if the micro switch still works, with a bit of luck we'll get the bonnet open. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is in the driver's footwell we need to go into the side compartment where the fuse box is, just down in here. Pop that open, and on the top corner here we should see this red like fuse band. Basically that's a power point connection, so we just want to slide that out. If yours doesn't slide out as easy as that, you can use an actual fuse puller tool. I'd recommend something that's non-conductive, like a pair of non-conductive grips if you have to. Get that open. Once that's open, you're going to take a power point. Today we have a jumper pack, so I'm going to put the negative connection onto the door check strap. Take a power, connect it onto that bridging point that we just exposed. We are then going to turn the power on to 12 volts on the jump pack. If you've got a battery connected, you've obviously got 12 volts. Now we want to be coming down to the switch that we just pointed out earlier. I'm going to use a thin flat-headed screwdriver, just put it within the cross, push down, and as we hear there, the bonnet has opened. So now I can show you we've got access to the battery. So now that the bonnet's released, undo this tab here, this one on the other corner. I'm sure you're probably already aware of this. You'll find your battery located just inside there. So the last thing I'll say before we end this video, if that obviously helps you out, then great, but there is one last resort, and that is to basically remove the near side front wheel. You have to take this inner wheel arching out completely, and right up in the top corner over there, which I'll insert an image now. Hopefully if you've just seen that, you'll see there's an emergency pull release cable, and that is the absolute last resort to gaining access from under the bonnet basically. So hopefully that helps you out, and thanks for watching this quick tip video, and we'll see you on the next one. And just as a follow-up, obviously it makes sense to replace this switch while you're in there, so next time you can just do that and it'll work straight away. And then of course resolve your battery issue. And she's good as new.